Hello, welcome to another video. I hope you're doing well. It is officially fall and I'm trying to get into the fall spirit very early this year. So I thought over the next couple of days I could get started on some fall activities. The first thing I want to do is decorate for fall so that my environment matches my mindset. So I'm going to get my decor out of storage right now and get started on that. Unpacking all of my fall decor, I realize a lot of it is geared towards Halloween, especially the outdoor decor, and unfortunately I think it is too early to put the outdoor Halloween decorations up. I did put some Halloween decorations up inside, but those ones are going to have to wait a little bit. So I do think I want to get more fall decor because I really don't have that much, but I did recently get a more fall geared tablecloth, so I will put that out. And then I also just got a curtain for underneath my coffee station, so I'm going to set both of those up as well. I'm feeling happy with how my fall decor has turned out so far. Like I said, I don't really have that much fall decor, so I do want to do some shopping. I think specifically I want to get some garland, but that did remind me, I went to the thrift store recently and got some woven leaves that I think I can make a garland out of. So stay tuned if I get around to making that. But I think that would be very cute fall decor. If not that, I will buy a garland because I think they're very festive and cute, so I definitely want one. I might need to take a trip to TJ Maxx or somewhere like that to pick up some other fall decor. We will see. But I do think that I am now going to do some fall planning. There's always so much I want to do in fall that I forget to plan or I just never get around to. So I want to sit down and really plan out the things that I know I want to do and see if I can find some time to do them. I'm thinking I might also make a bingo card for fall to kind of encourage me to do all the things I really want to. So I think I will do that now. First, I think I'm going to make a drink. I am thinking I'll make some sort of chamomile latte. It is getting late, so a chamomile would be great. But I went to a cafe recently and they had a chamomile with, I think it was steamed soy milk and honey, and it was delicious. So I will not be able to recreate that exactly, but I do want to make some sort of chamomile drink. So I'm going to do that and then get to my fall planning. just wrapped up my fall bucket list and my bingo card that I wanted to make. So I used my fall bucket list with all those items, and I picked my top ones and I put it into a bingo card template that I had found on Canva. So now I have that bingo card. Hopefully I can cross a lot of things off because I really want to be very in the season this year. I'm very happy with my fall bucket list and my bingo card that I made, and I think that I might make the bingo card my background on my computer for my desktop, just so I see it every day and it keeps reminding me to actually do these things. For some of the bigger items on the list, I did take those and put them in my planner on specific days so that I don't let those pass me by and I make sure I get them done this year. So I'm feeling happy with my bucket list and my bingo card. I think I'm gonna call it a night for now, and I will check back in tomorrow with some more fall activities. It's the next day and I'm feeling a bit more crafty today, so I've been working on my current crochet project, which is a shawl that I'm following a tutorial on YouTube. It's still a bit too hot out to wear right now, but that means it's the perfect time to make it. I've made some pretty good progress, I would say, and so I want to work on it for a bit longer, but I do really want to work on that fall garland that I was talking about, so I hope I have time to do that today as well. I've been crocheting for a while now, and I finished the base of the shawl, and now I'm just adding some tassels, but that will take a while, so I do want to work on the fall garland that I want to make. I just have these fall leaf decorations that I got from Goodwill. They're just woven leaves in a few different colors, and ideally I'd have some twine to make the garland out of, but I just have yarn, so I'm going to give it a shot and then hopefully hang it on my mantle. Wrapped up my fall garland and I'm officially feeling in the fall spirit, so I think this has been a success. I'm super excited for the fall and for making more videos that are fall related. I have lots of fall related crafts in mind, so a lot more to come on that, but I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.